Samsung has exciting news to share. They've just revealed the date for their much-anticipated Unpacked event, which will be happening on either January 17th or 18th, depending on where you are in the world. But here's the twist. While everyone expected to see the new Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra smartphones take center stage, Samsung is flipping the script. Instead of showcasing the phones in their massive outdoor teaser ad campaign spanning cities like Bangkok, London, New York, and more, Samsung is shining a spotlight on Galaxy AI. Yes, you heard that right. It seems like they're making AI the real star of the show. The buzz around this Unpacked event hints at a strong focus on artificial intelligence, AI, and Samsung is going all in with this elaborate ad campaign. While we know the new phones will certainly pack AI features, it's clear that AI itself will be the main attraction, with the phones acting as the vessels for these exciting AI experiences. In these ads, you'll see a cool transformation, a metallic Q, morphing into animated stars, symbolizing Galaxy AI and the incredible experiences it promises to deliver. Samsung's description suggests something big is in store, but we should also be a bit cautious. They're setting high expectations with this AI-centric campaign, and we hope it's not just a couple of minor tweaks and a rebranding of Bixby. So, if you're in a major city, you might have already spotted these intriguing ads on your streets. Stay tuned for more updates as the Unpacked event approaches, and let's hope Samsung's big promises live up to the hype. If you're as excited as we are, show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and stay awesome.